What are you doing?
I'm gonna stick the tripod in there. Oh! Never been so nervous for an ollie. Dude, it feels like when we had metal wheels. Oh, it's so slippery. I'm so confused.
You just go and get it?
Dude, so we're here at Airgas. It's a company that refills liquid nitrogen. And we brought our cryogenic container. And he didn't even say anything to us. He just said, just put it down. And then he took it. And that's it. I don't even know how much this is gonna cost. I've never been more nervous for a video. I don't know what's happening. We should buy some clams. Why do you need clams? Because we're playing with liquid nitrogen. Why would you need clams? To grab stuff. Are those yours? I am ready to receive the liquid nitrogen.
I was gonna say, you shouldn't leave it at that.
Look at these gloves.
Anyway, he's back.
It's frozen. It's completely frozen. Safety briefing you could run us through on this thing? Or?
Not really. Just don't wear gloves, wear glasses, a face shield if you have them.
We do not.
Don't let it splash. So.
Okay. You said it's supposed to vent?
Well, yeah, it's vents. It vents automatically. I mean,
okay.
If you had a sealed container, it would blow up.
Yeah, that's what. Oh, okay. I mean, I don't see any vent.
But it vents through here.
Oh,
So it's not a tight fit.
Okay. Got it. And how long will this stay in this form for?
3-4 days.
Oh, wow. All right, great.
To the 1731.
Wow, I'm doing a liquid nitrogen video every other day of the week from now on. I had no idea it was that cheap. Let's go to the car.
Oh my God, you got leather on my seat, man.
I got what?
You got metal.
Metal? I'm sorry.
Damn.
I'm sorry, Gabe. Didn't even know. But you know what was funny though? You're like, is this gonna blow up? He's like, no, it's not gonna blow up. It's liquid. And then he like walks over. He's like, yeah, I got a vent, or else it'd blow up. Like that's exactly what we said. That's what we were afraid of.
You guys may be very confused as to what we are doing. I am very confused too. That store was so very quiet.
I know. I felt like.
And I was
rude.
The goal today is to figure out what happens when we soak wheels, skate wheels, in liquid nitrogen. It's possibly the most dangerous video we've ever done, so do not try this at home. I would say we're trained professionals, but we also don't know what we're doing. Dan!
Amateurs.
What is on? Bro, what are you wearing?
What's on it? What is that? Oh, I think I leaned against the wall.
Oh my God. Are you getting paint in my car too? I'm never taking you in my car.
I just won't move till we get there.
So we have the liquid nitrogen in the cryogenic container, and yeah, I guess they say it'll last 3 to 4 days and it won't blow up in my trunk right now. I'm gonna trust them.
They didn't say the paint was wet.
Well, they're painting the walls. How would you not know to watch out for wet paint?
Whatever you do, don't let Uzi near this.
I can already tell. That's definitely liquid nitrogen.
Whoa. Wait, what are you doing? What? What are you doing?
I'm gonna stick the tripod in there. Yeah, it'll be fine, right?
It might just dissolve it.
Wait, let's do a piece of wood. Let's do a piece of wood.
I don't want to get close to this stuff.
Watch out, guys.
Definitely burned it.
Burned it?
Yeah, at the end.
Oh, it's frozen. I think that's just dirt.
Oh, is it just there?
Yeah.
Oh, ow.
Sorry.
Thanks.
I thought it would snap.
It's flexible. What did you?
Wait, hold up. I have an idea.
The whole tech deck? It needs some more
We
string.
should take out. Yeah. We should take out all of the cups. There's little scoopers in there. Yeah. And there's 6 of them. So what we could do is soak a bunch of tech decks in each one too.
No, it's not right there. Grab it.
There's not really good grabbing force with these. Okay, there you go. I can get it now. Ooh, it's cold.
Good.
Right.
Oh, be careful, buddy.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh! That's so cool! That's wild. I already put one in.
Whoa! What is happening? Let me tell you guys what we're doing here. So all of those little scooping cups were in there and they were taking up a lot of space. So now we have taken them all out and our goal is to, okay, thanks. Our goal is to get those wheels on the string, dip them in there, let them soak, bring them out, and then see what happens.
I wonder. Oh, yeah.
Buy grip tape.
Tech deck again.
That's completely frozen. Oh my god! Dude, look at this, Dan. Look at that. Dude. Oh my god! Dude, that just shattered metal.
That's crazy. Gabe, let me try to use the other one as a tech deck, but you gotta get it out.
All right, I will get it out for you, Dan.
Thank you. Besides that. All right, let me see the glove. I like these. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's just paper. Man, it's hard. It's hard to
Wait. Oh, that's the other
use
one.
these gloves.
Come on, land a kickflip, Dan.
Do we have thinner gloves? What if I just take it? I'm gonna take it off a drop. Yeah, it's still good. Still good. It's just cold. It's very cold. Wow, I can really feel it through the gloves. Oh! Ah! I am Thor.
Straight broke the truck.
Manja, freeze the wheels.
Look, you can also see the freezing that just right through the plastic.
Are you a giraffe?
Depends who's asking.
Me?
No.
Somebody else?
Yes.
So you actually think these wheels will fit?
Hopefully.
Nope.
I knew it.
Take some of this out and just keep pouring it in a little container.
This is the container.
Yeah, I'm saying whatever it gets poured into, it's just gonna break.
No, look, because this is like, it's staying in here. I've seen people do it on YouTube. No, it won't break.
This is on YouTube.
I know, but I'm saying I've seen people do other things on YouTube.
Luckily, this is gonna last for like 4 days.
All right, go ahead, go get something.
I don't want to dump that.
Ooh,
With a couple of these.
it might work.
I mean, there's only one way to find out.
I'm telling you, it's not gonna blow up.
I'll blow you up.
Well, we're
Doesn't
kind of
work.
running out of ideas here. I
work.
say we just full send.
That's what we're gonna do.
Let's
I'm
do
just
it.
saying.
Hot off the grill.
Oh, it's working. Oh, they're submerged, baby.
Nah, one more.
Almost.
One or two more.
Dude, this is so sick.
You know what I just realized?
What?
I think the string's probably frozen. Oh no, the string's not frozen.
They gave us fake liquid nitrogen. I ordered some liquid nitrogen. You guys gave me boiling cold water.
That's what it is.
No.
No, dog. It's supposed to freeze things instantly. These wheels, they're not frozen.
Can you drink liquid nitrogen? They're like, no, absolutely not. You're like, well, I just drank a bunch of this, so that's my point exactly.
All right, take the first sip. Tell me how it is.
It's slowly evaporating still. The wheels aren't submerged anymore.
Wait, was this thing white on the outside before?
No.
No, it's completely frozen now.
Oh, look at the outside.
So I think what we need to do, I think we need to get a skateboard, get ready to put the wheels on immediately, and then someone should just do an ollie on it and see what happens.
We need like a NASCAR pit crew, just real quick. NASCAR pit stop set up right here. Look.
All right, Dan, is the pit stop ready to go?
Yeah, it's ready to go. See?
This is the moment of truth, the moment we've been waiting for. We have the wheels. They have been freezing in here for roughly 10 minutes, I would say. Now, the NASCAR pit stop, I'm gonna take them off. Uzi's gonna do the ollie test to see what happens.
We should take a picture of that.
Whoa.
Oh no!
Sounds so solid.
Horrible.
You ready?
They sound like
Wait, drop down with that.
what?
Go quick.
Wait, what if? Oh. Wow.
Dang. Impressive.
Probably. Wow, look how frosty they are. I feel like I need safety glasses for this.
Dan, what do you think is gonna happen?
I don't know, but I hope they shatter. We'll see. They could just be hard as a rock. I'm nervous. Never been so nervous for an ollie.
Here we go!
Don't slide into me.
All right, just careful, Dan. Ollie, you ready for an ollie? Systems ollie. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh. Hold on. I'm trying to do a 360. Whoa! Do another ollie? It's so slick. Dude, it's so slippery.
Let's drop in real quick!
I'm gonna try a kickflip.
Power slide.
Power slide?
Yeah.
Dude, it feels like when we had metal wheels. They're still steaming. Yeah, they're still frozen. That's funny. You guys definitely,
I gave up.
This truck's terrible. No, it's the wheels that are terrible. It's going in and out.
That
They
was
are
straight
still
to my
so
ankle.
frozen.
Did it hit you?
No, I.
That's pretty cool. All right. Try again. Try on the concrete.
They're more slippery on this. They are icicles. Whoa! Nope, I'm good. I don't want to die.
All right, I'm gonna hit the gap. Let's see.
They're thawing out.
Thawing?
They don't,
Can't believe they didn't break.
they don't spin very good.
No way. I want to break one.
I don't think they're gonna break.
Seems pretty good.
What is happening? Whoa! What? Dude, what?
That was the coolest thing.
That was easy. Watch out, you guys stand back.
I was not anticipating. Wow.
Dude.
It's crazy how, like,
Wow.
try ollie on it. I bet the grip tape flies off. Ow! I hurt my knee.
It cracked the wood too, look.
Yeah, I think so. Pour it in the... Gabe, pour it in the pond.
Yes, do it.
Gabe, pour it in the lake.
That's what I want to do.
I think you're good. I think you're good. Pour the rest on the skateboard. On the skateboard.
All of it? Whoa.
Whoa! Look at right there in the middle.
Tornado! Make a tornado!
Tornado!
No, you do this, Gabe. You go like this. See? Hold on. You go in and up.
But did it freeze? Oh, there's little
Yeah.
droplets.
It froze a bunch of the
Wow,
water.
look at it. It's all frozen right there. Is it? Yeah. Oh,
We
look
got
at
a wind
this.
turbine, baby! Let's go! Let's go!
For
You know
our
how much?
skateboard.
Guess how much this was?
Yes.
$10.
$100.
$17.
To fill that?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're going back today! What are we doing?
I'm saying.
Tree fitty. Send it.
Brother, I'm about to make a vortex out of all vortexes. Come on, give it to me.
Yeah.
Right there. No, I messed it up. Ah! There we go. No! There it is, baby! Dang it. Is there anything left? Oh. Barely.
I'm gonna die on this thing. The grip tape shattered. Oh my gosh, dude, it's so slippery. Whoa! It's possible. It's literally just like I'm standing on ice. What if I can't break it? Break it. I'll break my knee. Whoa! Dude, Dan, watch. I'm about to get so much grip. This might have been a bad decision. Okay, watch. Oh!
Alright, focus it. I want to see if it's easier to break. Do you think it'll be easier to break?
No, I think it'll be harder. All right. That actually broke pretty easy.
Whoa.
Gabe, I put my feet in the water and then I stood on the board and my feet froze to the board for a second.
You stuck to it.
Yeah.
And that is it, brothers. Did it break easy?
Yeah.
Sorry, there was some remaining liquid nitrogen that I needed to dispose of in the name of safety. Well, this was the most amazing experiment I think we've ever done. It was amazing. Liquid nitrogen, not a toy. Do not play with it. Do not try this at home. But we had a great time trying it out in a safe manner. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. What should we soak in liquid nitrogen next time? Leave it right down there in the comments below.